my God.
Ow! Look, the tiger's got the turtle underneath me. Oh, I don't know if I'm in the best position right here. Oh, I'm between the tiger and the turtle. Uh-oh. Oh, what?
Ai, minha Nossa Senhora.
Being bald could save your life.
Disinformation.
No, dude.
A little back scratch. Oh, you like that? Huh? Huh? Oh, I don't.
I said I was running for 3 reasons from the very beginning. One, to restore the soul of America. This idea of decency, honor, treating people with respect, literally treating people with respect. What a stupid son of a bitch.
What?
I'm a fire marshal.
Oh, no, honey, here. Everyone is here to help you. Ben, shut up.
Take that shit.
No, you're safe. You're safe.
Please let go. You don't need the flag.
No, you're safe.
Please let go. I'm trying to help you.
Okay.
You're gonna regret it. Come on now.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
You're not gonna bite me. I will.
Please.
It's
Let
all.
go.
See? No.
Please let go.
No. Okay.
Please.
Okay. Please.
I'd love to see that happen.
Okay. Do me a favor. Bring your hands behind your back for me. Let go of the flagpole, okay? Let go of the flagpole. No. All right, you are being detained. Grab her other arm.
I couldn't get his driver's license.
She had a car keys when she came to my door.
Yeah.
She was very... I will not go.
Du tog min plånbok, jävel.